Don't get shocked if I ask you a question. Are you the next target of cybercriminals? Probably yes. Cybercriminals are the best con artists who will trick you to do things which you otherwise won't do. The best of system security will get compromised due to the weak human security. Tons of malicious content flood the internet. This will compromise your system and your device. If you believe that using antivirus will keep you safe, you are probably wrong. A skilled hacker can reverse engineer it. You, your family, and your organization is the easiest target for the hacker if we don't make their attempts unsuccessful. We love freebies, but not every free things which you get on internet is free. Most of them have proven track record of resulting into costliest affair. A bad coded PDF file or even an image file is dangerous. A too good to be true offers will tempt you and you would be their target audience. A fake notice from police or lawyer or even bank or regulatory agency will trick your mind. Best of best protection fails. Attackers defraud large organizations, banks, financial institutions. Tons of fortune is lost every year. The hard-earned money is stolen and you are helpless. Give me about 150 minutes and I'll show you 55 traps that will lead to stunting cybercrime and cyber attacks, resulting into big financial loss, mental agony, privacy exposed, information leak and mess up your digital life. Each trap just requires 6 to 15 seconds of your attention to derail cyber attacks and cybercriminals' effort. I'll walk you through the process of securing your family, yourself, your friends, organization and of course your money so that you aren't the next target of cybercriminals. If you don't take care of cybersecurity, you will end up an average of shelling out $20,000. If you attend any cybersecurity webinar or online course to learn about cybersecurity, you'll shell up paying around $500 on an average. Some of the concepts can be too technical to digest as well. My video tutorial will educate you on the numerous threats and countermeasures to protect you as well as your defend the attempts to con you. If you are serious about protecting your child, friends, family, company from script kiddies, politically motivated hackers or ideology support groups or cyber threats in front of you, if you don't want to be the next target and if you are serious about your data, confidential information, this tutorial is for you.